All right, boys and girls, it is time for our daily word problem. Here we go. Mrs. Ratliff had 9 paintbrushes. She gave 6 of her paintbrushes to her students. How many paintbrushes does Mrs. R have left? I'll read it again. Mrs. R had 9 paintbrushes. She gave 6 of her paintbrushes to her students. How many paintbrushes does Mrs. R have left? So think about what this word problem is asking you to do. Is it asking you to add, to take 2 groups or 2 sets and put them together? Or is it asking you to subtract, starting with 1 set and then taking some away? Okay. Think about the numbers that are important in this story problem. Mrs. R had 9 paintbrushes. She gave 6 of those paintbrushes away. And we're trying to figure out how many she has left. Don't forget, you need to show your thinking, the strategy that you use down here in this box. You can just draw on your screen. Okay, once you do your strategy, you can write your answer here. And then down here, you need to write your number sentence. So remember, that will include numbers, either a plus sign, a minus sign. Don't forget that equal sign, and then your answer.